Puppies and babies in the same photo shoot. My heart can't take it. Hey there, it's Keri Lumm with Buzz60, and now I want a baby and a puppy. California woman Klingbiel was expecting a baby boy, and her dog Delia was also expecting a litter of puppies. The family dog was supposed to give birth before her owner. But on the day Klingbiel went to the hospital to be induced, she got a call from her dad letting her know Delia was in labor as well. I've heard of sympathy pains. Can there be sympathy birth? Delia gave birth to 9 healthy puppies, and 3 hours later, Emmy gave birth to her son, Bryden. 6 days later, Klingbiel's photographer friend, Teresa Kaczynski with Park Avenue Photography, came over and had the best photo shoot ever with the 10 newborns. Who needs a blanket when you have 9 goldendoodle puppies? Apparently, Bryden was a little fussy about having his picture made, but as soon as the puppies joined him, he was happy again. I'm guessing with a baby and 9 puppies in the house, sleep is non-existent. But the cute factor probably more than makes up for the lack of rest. Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.